It's finally here. Project Max Development? Poggers! So, what did I do this week? I completely redesigned the second level. It was a bland wall, and then I kind of made it into a little city. Well, yeah, there's with a 2D plane of a fence, but hey, it works. If you look at it, it looks slightly 3D, so it works in the end. So how did it start? So a couple of days ago, I started streaming, and I asked you guys in the chat, what should I do to this level? And I suggested a couple of ideas. I said, city, a road, an alleyway. You know, we already had like the first level as an alleyway. I was like, I don't really want to do an alleyway again. And you guys, with the popular vote, said, hey, make a little city. So I started off with making a little wacky house. Yeah, looks very nice, very wacky. And then I textured it and everything, and it looked worn down, which is what I'm looking for in this level. You know, it's meant to be an abandoned area, like you've been left there. So of course no one else is living there. Sadly, we only have one building in the game right now, but my team and I are working on making some more this week. So we should hopefully see some in that level later this week. So yeah, we have a city, but I have one big issue right now. How do I hide the background? How do I hide the background with like the skybox and everything? So I had a couple ideas. First of all, I just had walls, but I was like, well, that's just not realistic. Who just has some walls? Yeah, it's a city, you don't have walls. Then I made a bit of terrain look like. So then I made like a terrain with dirt to make it look like, hey, you know, it's been left there. You know, there's dirt there. You know, it's gathered up from, I don't know, it's like a scrapyard kind of looking thing. But I still don't like the look of it. So I'm gonna give you that idea to think about and think of some ideas. You definitely have bigger brains than me. And leave it in the comments, and then I'll have a look into your suggestions on how to hide the background more. Because currently I don't like what it is. It's not great. But then I started to plan out in my head what do I want for the rest of the levels for this sector. So then I went, okay, I kind of like the little nightmare where he's on the roof. So I was like, how do I get Max on the roof? Okay, we can have an elevator, like a run down elevator, which is like used for like builders or whatever. That's how we'll get on the roof. Okay, and then we're gonna have the roof, and then he's gonna jump across roofs. But then how do I make the background look good? So I was looking to Little Nightmare, and what Little Nightmare does is they have a main object in the background, so it's like a massive tower, and they have that blurred, so it's like it's there, but it's like blurred. You know, it's how realism works. You know, you can't see as far as you want. You know, you're limited. So like main building, gotta blur it, and that's how they do it. And they normally have like some other things in the background, but that's how they make the world feel alive. So I'm gonna start doing that this week / next week. I'm gonna work on the next couple of levels, which you'll see in the next episode of this, of course. However, I would like to also tell you I started a TikTok recently, which I post videos about Project Max. I post things you don't get to see on YouTube, and I post funny videos on that, and things what you can comment on, and it can go in the game. So the other day I posted a thing saying what object should be in this sector of the game, and one of you said a street lamp, which is going to be made, and it's going to be in the game. So that's going to be cool, and it's going to fit the theme because of course a street lamp's in a street. But sorry to end it here. I don't really have much to show because I'm still working on my YouTube skills, and hopefully over time these videos will get better. And I'm also working on my building skills. I'm still working on like in building environments and everything. I haven't really done that. I'm good at, I've only got 3D modeling skills and programming with C# and whatever this Unreal block code, no bait. I don't know. So there isn't much to show, but we're still working, and we are going to get some more stuff from our team. I'm going to start showing their stuff they make as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to follow me on Twitter and TikTok. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.